條題目咧就俾咗一個 radioactive source 啦，咁佢有呢個嘅 alpha、beta 同埋 gamma radiation 被釋放出嚟嘅。咁 radioactive source 咧就有 alpha、beta 同埋 gamma 啦。咁佢穿過3樣嘢嘅，第一個咧就係 cardboard 啦，紙板；第二個咧就係5毫米咁厚嘅呢個嘅 aluminium sheets 鋁嘅呢個嘅紙啦，跟住咧之後咧就有10 millimeter thick 嘅lead sheets 嘅一個原製嘅呢個嘅層啦。咁其實咧，我哋咧如果要知道喺邊度會有邊度嘅輻射咧，我哋就可以每一張之間嘅間隔嚟睇啦。咁我哋可以將呢個地方咧分為4段嘅，分為第一段啦、第二段啦、第3段啦同埋第4段。咁第一段咧，我哋自然就有 alpha、beta 同埋gamma 啦，因為咧佢係冇一開始係只有得空氣嚟停止佢嘅。咁呢個距離都非常短啦，所以 alpha radiation 依然存在嘅。咁過咗一層紙板之後咧，個 alpha radiation 咧就被 block 低咗咯，所以剩低咧就係 beta 同埋 gamma radiation 啦。咁但係第3層啦，因為有 aluminium sheet 嘅緣故啦 ，beta radiation 咧都被 block 咗嘅，所以得返 gamma radiation 啦。咁最後咧有個10 millimeter thick of lead sheets 啦。雖然咧 lead sheet 咧係可以 block 到一部分嘅呢個嘅gamma radiation 嘅，但係因為 gamma radiation 咧佢實在咧係個 penetrating power 咧其實係非常大嘅，所以就算有 lead sheet 咧，佢都只可以減弱大概一半嘅呢個嘅radiation dose。所以咧第4呢個部分咧依然仲有 gamma radiation 嘅。咁我哋嚟睇呢個 statement 咯喎。咁第一個 no radiation from the radioactive source is detected at Z。咁呢個陳述係錯誤㗎，因為我哋有 gamma 嘅存在嘅 gamma radiation。跟住 B 咧 both beta and gamma radiation can be detected at Y 啦。咁得 gamma radiation 係 detect 到啦，而 beta 咧係唔會喺 Y 出現嘅，所以陳述咧係錯誤嘅。C alpha radiation can only be detected at X but not at Y and Z。咁呢個陳述咧係錯誤嘅，因為咧佢就 alpha radiation 咧其實咧係連第一層紙板都過唔到去啊，佢只喺 zone 1有啫，喺 X 呢個地方咧根本唔會有嘅。咁得返 D for dog 啦。咁 beta radiation can only be detected at X but not Y and Z。咁呢個陳述咧係正確嘅，因為咧由過咗呢個 aluminium sheet 之後咧，個 beta radiation 咧就已經 stop 咗啦。咁得返咧就係咁喺 X 呢個地方咧，其實咧得返 beta 同埋 gamma 啦。咁後面咧就唔會有 beta radiation 嘅，咁得 X 呢個地方咧有 beta radiation 啦。咁呢個答案咧就係 D for dog 啦，D for dog。